struggling to fall asleep, here are some tips to help you drift off. Let's start with establishing a bedtime routine. Try to go to bed at the same time every night. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Instead, read a book or listen to calming music. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Keep it cool, quiet, and dark. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Remove any distractions that might keep you awake. Certain scents can help you relax. Lavender, chamomile, and sandalwood are great options. Use essential oils or scented candles to create a calming atmosphere. Consider natural supplements like melatonin or valerian root. They can help regulate your sleep cycle. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Dim the lights an hour before bed. Use blackout curtains to block out street lights. Consider a sleep mask if your room isn't dark enough. If you wake up, avoid checking the time. Try deep breathing or a relaxation technique. Stay calm and let your body naturally fall back to sleep. Hopefully these are helpful to you. Continue to follow for more wellness content.